Good morning. Today we're going to be looking over lesson 108, adding and subtracting decimal numbers, part 2. Action. Okay, in this lesson we're going to do some decimal math and we're going to remember to line up the decimal points. If you haven't got your book yet and your journal, please push pause and go get them. Got everything now? Good job. Okay, so we're looking at our decimal number 3 and 42 hundredths plus 12 and 3 tenths. You notice here that we have our decimal points lined up. We must always do that when we add and subtract decimals. So let's begin. Does our 2 have anything beneath it? We can just put a 0 to save the place so that it'll help us remember what to do. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. Very good. Do we have a decimal point? We need to put it in. Then we have 3 plus 2 is 5. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So we have the answer of 15 and 72 hundredths. Is that what you got too? I hope so. And then we can show when we subtract. Once again, do we have decimals lined up? Of course we do. So just like any other subtraction problem, we're going to start here at the ones. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here's our decimal point. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus nothing is 2. So we get the answer of 22 and 25 hundredths. Okay, we're ready to go straight to practice today because I know you are wonderful with your adding and subtracting. You just need to remember to always line up your decimal points. So have your journals open and do A along with me. For problem A, we have 9.87 plus 12.4. Now, before you stop, or let's stop and think, 12.4. Let's figure out where our decimal is going to go. It needs to go right underneath this one. So our 4 will go over here, and our 12 will go over here. Now we can go ahead and add. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry our 1, but before we do that math, let's put our decimal point so we don't forget it. 9 plus 2 plus 1, very good, is 12. Carry our 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have the answer of 22 and 27 hundredths. Let's go ahead and subtract in number B. Number B, letter B, I mean. We have 0 and 35 hundredths minus 2 tenths. Watch where your decimal point is and make sure to line them up. Here's our decimal point. Our 2 goes there, our 0 goes there, and we're going to subtract. 5 take away nothing, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. So we're left with 15 hundredths. I am very secure in knowing that you know you're adding and subtracting. That the main thing is to line up our decimals. So you go ahead and try C by yourself, push pause, and we'll come back and see how you did. Okay, did you line your decimals up like this? We can hold our places with some zeros if you would like, so that your lines don't go all wavy. 8 plus 0 and 0, 8. 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. Decimal, carry your 0, or just a 0. So our answer is 949 thousandths. That, I think, is the basic lesson today. And I really feel confident that you'll do great with this. So get started, and I'll see you at 1:30 for our live session. See you in a bit. Bye-bye.